what's up nail art addict, this is Haley and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you guys some nail art hack without using any nail art tools, and you can use any tools around your house to achieve these 5 designs. So if you guys want to know how I did this, keep on watching. And before I start with this nail art, I'm gonna use OPI base coat. For my first design, I'm gonna use this blue and pink nail polish. I'm gonna paint 2 coats of that pink. And I'm gonna take that blue and just do a diagonal French tip. See, it's that simple. Okay, let's move on to the next nail art. I'm gonna use this darker blue, baby blue and gold. I'm gonna use this plastic wrap. And since I'm not going to use any liquid latex, I'm gonna go old school and use a scotch tape around my nail. I'm gonna apply 2 coats of this white nail polish. By the way, this is Zoya Purity, if you guys wondering, because I didn't film it, I forgot. And I'm gonna take that scotch tape and just wrap it around my cuticle to protect my skin, because it's gonna get messy. To create the marble effect, I'm gonna apply all 3 polish on my nails and take that plastic wrap and just dab it on my nails until I'm satisfied with the look. And after that, I'm gonna remove that scotch tape off my nails, and I spot some white polish around my cuticle and started to fill in with those polish again, just a little bit. You know, I feel very uncomfortable if I leave it just like that. So I'm going in with the plastic again and just dab on my nails, and there's not really much of a mess on that nail, so yeah, it's fine. Let's move on to the next design. I'm gonna use this baby blue polish and this blue shimmer polish and a toothpick. So I'm gonna cut the tip of the toothpick. I'm gonna apply 2 coats of this baby blue polish, and I'm gonna go in with that blue shimmer with a toothpick and create a polka dots, which is not going great so far. I mean, I'm bad at this. It's a simple polka dot, for goodness sake. Oh my god, that looks horrible. I'm sorry you guys have to see this, but at least I tried using a toothpick. Maybe next time it will work, right? So, well, it doesn't turn out that bad. I feel that at least I tried. Okay, after that horrific event, let's move on to the next nail. I'm gonna use only red nail polish this time and just use a nail polish brush and create a heart-shaped tip. This is the most simplest nail art ever. Everybody can do this. So if you guys stay at home and you think that you need to spice up your nails, you can do this. See, it's very simple. And for my last design, I'm gonna use black, yellow and pink neons to create an animal print using a toothpick. This is not going to go well. And I'm gonna apply 2 coats of this black polish And I'm gonna take a toothpick and start doing leopard prints. I'm gonna go in with the pink neons. And I'm gonna apply the yellow neon next. And I'm gonna take a white polish and attempt to do these leopard nails, which is not going well for me. I'm not good at using toothpick, by the way. It turns out okay for me, but I went too far and applied too much dots and those C shapes. It really does look horrible. And after I'm done with all this design, I'm gonna apply quick dry top coat to smooth everything out. And that's it, you guys. 5 design using only toothpick, plastic wrap, and even a nail polish brush. You can achieve this look by finding stuff around your house. You don't have to have any fancy nail art tool to have nail art on your nails. And I feel this is a challenging stuff for me because I will use like stamping and nail vinyls and dotting tools. By using all these items means that I can survive without my tools. So what do you guys think? Leave a comment down below and let me know. And if you guys want to see more stuff that I can use around my house to create a nail art. And if you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. I will do more nail art for you guys and some hacks like this. And ring that notification bell so you know when I'm uploading a new video. And if you guys staying at home, this is a perfect opportunity for you to do this nail art using stuff you can find around your house. Trust me, it's fun. Okay guys, I see you guys soon. Stay safe, stay at home. Bye.